Boy. Engineer? Um, what happened to the train? Our engines failed. Running this local 947, both our engines failed, including the Conrail and the Burlington Northern locomotives. Both of our units failed. No, it wasn't the Conrail. It was the Montana Rail Link locomotive. They look very similar to Conrail. Anyway, both of our engines failed, so we're not going to be going anywhere. Have you contacted dispatcher to stop all trains? No, I haven't. Wait, are you telling me that you haven't contacted the dispatcher yet? No, I haven't, because no other train's on the railroad. It's usually when one train's on the railroad, it's the only train on the railroad. Still, you need to do it for our safety. You never know what could happen. Well, sorry, but the only paperwork was only for one train. Yeah, that was when we left Red Mountain. There could be another train out there that departed Central or Lake Yard or who knows where. There could be another train on the system. Fine. I'll contact the dang dispatcher. Just sit tight. I don't like being on this bridge, man. I really don't like being up here. Especially with the water. I'm afraid I'm going to drown or something. You're in a caboose. You can't drown. Now, if you excuse me, I got the dispatcher to contact. Okay? Let's just get this train moving soon, please. This engineer, Will Smith, contacting dispatcher. Dispatcher, we have an unmanned train rolling your direction. Another train? An unmanned train? Yes, we don't have all the details yet, but we got a chopper on it right now, and it's a train number. It's a Black Valley 4401. Has escaped the yard with no air brakes. We got other trains attached to it that are trying to slow it down. However, hang on, I gotta contact my conductor. Kitty! Foxy Kitty, you need to get out of the caboose now. Foxy Kitty? Did conductor? Engineer? There's another train coming. Get the engine fixed, darn it. Get it going. No, no. This can't be happening. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. This can't be good. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Ah. Oh, no. Ah. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. 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 Must swim to the surface. I can't breathe. Let's get to the surface. Luckily, as part of being a fox and cat, I can hold my breath for an unreasonably long time, and I don't know how I'm. Wait a minute. There's no water down here. How's that even possible? This is a lake. There's no water in here at all. So it's just an illusion? Well, when the sun hits this particular area, it does cause an illusion, and that illusion causes it to look like water. Uh, Currently left the world. Um, Let me activate my summoning technique. I should be able to summon back. Okay. Summon back. Summon back. Summon back. Oh, summon back. Okay. That's not good. Engine seems fine. Bearing to Northern Conrail. 3554. Let's just limp our train to the... Let's just limp our train to the yard. Can't believe it. Another derailment. How does stuff like this happen? Is my question. How can these massive derailments happen? And why do they keep happening on my railroad? Actually, truth be told, I don't own the Lake Valley Railroad. Exactly what this railroad is. It's the Lake Valley Railroad. A railroad that I don't own, but used to demonstrate safety tactics. This was nearly a demonstration, but boy, was they need to get better contact with me for these demonstrations. Jeez, I don't know why they contact. I really should not stand on the tracks. I don't know why they don't contact me and tell me what I'll be getting myself into. It's really rude. Really rude they don't contact me. Need to head back. I'm going to Lake Yard. I think I broke something. I'm heading to the city. I want to go to the hospital. I'll just walk myself there. Look, I have a phone in here. I want to see if I can contact one of my friends, especially Lucario. See if I can get her help. Pick up the phone. Hello? Hey, Lucario, this might be a bad situation. Um, I saved you and, you promised to be that I'm your master and all that stuff, and you're my buddy, and not to mention also my wife, so I really need your help. Um, I got involved in a really bad train accident, and I was wondering if you could take me to the hospital. I don't know my injuries, But my whole body's aching, and I just barely was able to limp 2 engines back to Lake Yard. I really need you to take me to the hospital. I really need your help, Lucario. I really need your help. I know, Lucario. I will tell them about the story sometime, but now's not the time. You haven't moved in with me yet. I know that'll happen soon. I know you're gonna try everything you can do to move in with me as soon as you can, but trust me, I just need you to take me to the hospital. Luckily, Kitty, I'm in the area. Wait, you're in Lake Guard? Yeah, I was here earlier. I dropped you off, remember? Oh, yeah, I remember that. Yeah, you're still here, aren't you? Yeah. A few days later, I didn't expect you to come back so soon. Well, can you take me to the hospital? I hate to ask this. I really needed to take me to the hospital. Sure thing, Master. Sure thing. Okay, thank you, Lucario. Alright. Oh, can you help me get to the station? Yes, I'm on my way. Just be patient. Okay. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. Love you, Lucario. Love you too. Goodness, I love Lucario. She is awesome. Hey, Lucario! Hey, there you are. Ow. Come on, kitty. I'll carry you. Jesus, Lucario. Being carried by a Pokemon from the Aurora region, and I'm just nothing more but a cat. And a fox. I'm a mix between a fox and a cat. You know that. Is there a film crew here? Yep. Right. I should have known. They always record these things. They always know when this happens. Thanks for carrying me, I guess. Don't worry, kitty. I'll get you to the hospital. Thanks, Lucario. I'll get you there. Everything will be alright. Thanks, Lucario. Alright. Taxi! Taxi! Lucario! I'm just trying to get these people to stop. They won't stop. Oh, here's someone. Alright. You shall be healed. You are expected to make a full recovery. Wow, I can already walk again. Well, Kitty, you did teach me the power and how to heal people, and otherwise than that, you've also taught me how to drive a train. Well, that's right. Huh. Well, that's quick. Shall I take you home? Kitty, I'd rather take you home. Okay, then.